Welcome to Section 1 App Foundation. Before we start coding features, it is important to understand how a .NET Movie project is structured. In this lesson, we will explore the folder structure and key files that make up our sales track application. Without understanding structure, you will struggle later when debugging or scaling. This foundation saves hours of frustration. When we create a new .NET Movie project, Visual Studio automatically generates a structured solution. This includes shared UI code, platform-specific folders, and essential startup files. Understanding this structure is the first step toward becoming confident in movie development. Here, we see the Solution Explorer. Our application is organized into logical folders. Models store data structures. Services handle API communication. Pages contain UI screens. Platforms include Android, Windows, and other platform-specific code. Resources store images, fonts, and styles. These are the most important files in a movie application. App.xml stores global resources. App shell handles navigation. Main page is the default page. Movieprogram.cs configures services and dependency injection. Movieprogram.cs acts as the startup configuration file of the application. It builds the app, registers services, and prepares everything before the UI loads. In professional applications, we separate responsibilities. Models handle data, services manage API calls, pages handle UI. This separation makes the application clean, maintainable, and scalable. In our sales track application, salesman info belongs to the models folder because it represents structured data. API service belongs to services because it handles backend communication. Login page belongs to pages because it defines the UI. At this stage, don't try to memorize everything. Focus on understanding the purpose of each folder and file. As we build features, this structure will naturally become clear. To build confidence, open your project and explore the folders. Expand each one and identify where models, services, and pages are located. This simple exercise builds familiarity with the structure. In this lesson, we explored the .NET Movie project structure, identified key files, and understood how folders are organized. This foundation prepares us to dive deeper into global styling in the next lesson. Congratulations, you have completed lesson 1 on understanding the .NET Movie project structure. You now know how a movie project is organized, the purpose of its key files, and why folder separation is important for clean architecture. This foundation will make it easier to navigate your project and build confidence as we move forward. In the next lesson, we will explore app.xml and learn how to manage global resources for styling and consistency across your application.